Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to discuss a biotech company called Dignify Therapeutics. Before we start, I would like to remind you that this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Please do your research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. With that being said, let's begin. So Dignify Therapeutics is a privately held biopharmaceutical company located in 𝗕𝗡𝗢𝗏, North Carolina. The company is focused on developing novel, on-demand pharmaceutical agents for the restoration of voluntary bladder and bowel control in individuals with neurological diseases such as spinal cord injury and multiple sclerosis, as well as the elderly. Currently, there are no medications that enable patients to have on-demand control over voiding. Management of these conditions is either with invasive and burdensome surgical procedures or with poorly effective and troublesome drugs requiring multiple daily doses and often with limited access. Thus, there is a significant unmet need for better bladder management options. Dignify's product candidates are designed to put patients back in control by safely and effectively enabling them to evacuate their bowels and bladder on demand. The company's lead candidate, DTI-301, is a mucoadhesive suppository for the on-demand evacuation of the bowels. DTI-301 is designed to stimulate localized within the rectum with minimal systemic absorption and to rapidly induce defecation within minutes after dosing. DTI-117 is currently in preclinical development for the on-demand emptying of both the bladder and bowel. The proposed mechanism of action is to directly stimulate smooth muscle contraction in the bladder and bowel to rapidly promote voiding. In animal models, DTI-117 has been shown to enable animals to void typically within 10 minutes of dosing, and it is rapidly eliminated from the body. Since its inception, the company has secured substantial funding to support the development of its product candidates. Beyond initial angel investments, the company completed a series of financing round in 2015, which saw the participation of several notable investors, including Raw Capital Management and Eshelman Ventures. Importantly, however, the majority of the company's financial strength comes from over $20 million in non-dilutive funding from the National Institutes of Health, or NIH. This substantial NIH funding validates the science behind the company's drug candidates and the potential for them to address critical health needs. In fact, the NIH has awarded the company over $4 million in new funds recently. These latest awards highlight the continued confidence that federal agencies have in the company's work and its potential to transform the lives of patients with debilitating bladder and bowel dysfunction. Under the terms of the agreement, Dignify will make upfront and future payments to Aayam Therapeutics, as well as royalties on worldwide sales of any products that are successfully commercialized. In addition, Aayam is eligible to receive certain milestone payments upon the achievement of specified development, regulatory, and commercialization milestones for the product. In addition to this deal, the company has also entered into a licensing agreement with Aayam Therapeutics to expand its pipeline with a novel on-demand defecation drug, 𝗕𝗡𝗥𝗚𝗚, and they have been named as one of 5 finalists for the Praxis Spinal Cord Injury, or SCI Accelerate Program. The SCI Accelerator Program is a public-private partnership focused on accelerating the development of therapeutics for people living with SCI. Through this program, Praxis will provide up to $1.5 million in funding to each of the 5 finalists to advance their drug programs for the SCI community. Dignify Therapeutics is led by a team of experienced drug developers who have successfully brought multiple products to market. The company's chairman and CEO, Dr. Robert Bladder, is a recognized expert in the field of neuropharmacology. With a strong team in place, the company is well positioned to advance its candidates through clinical development and potentially provide life-changing therapies to patients who currently have few viable treatment options. While the road ahead for Dignify Therapeutics is undoubtedly challenging, given the complexities of pharmaceutical development, particularly for a private company, the company's focused innovation, Significant non-dilutive funding track record and strategic collaborations position it well for the future. As the company continues to make progress toward its goals, it will be interesting to see how Dignify Therapeutics impacts the lives of those living with debilitating bladder and bowel dysfunction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps me continue making great content.